First, welcome to GarazLab, and we are very glad that we get lots of support for our mobile application builder application, and it's really great to have your support. Today's discussion and tutorial will be how we can add admin LTE into React. Okay, so admin LTE is very popular. It's a great dashboard template, and we will demonstrate you how you can use it into React application. And you can easily grab or download the latest version. It is 3, and we will show you how to integrate it. So for this demonstration, we assume you are familiar with React, so we don't need to discuss about it, and hope we have it npm is installed into your workstation, and using npm just use the command to install the create React app globally into your workstation, and later we are creating the app named admin app. You can name any of your favorite name, but for this demonstration we are assuming it's admin app. And we need to add lots of CSS and JS files, and before that actually we are using the admin LT that we downloaded, that is the admin LT 30, and we are getting the markup from there is 3 different index HTML, so you can use any of them, no problem, but we are using the index 3.html, and here is the markup. That is the complete markup, so we will use it in React. For that we are using the JS and CSS as we need, and for CSS files or JS files you can use the CDN if it's available, no problem, or if you directly use it from your local folders, then just place it under the CSS or JS folders respectively. And for fonts we are using the Google fonts here, and let's move our demonstration. So we are having the CSS and JS files. This is the index.html. We will create a index.html, and then this will be the markup. Okay, and we are adding the markup as it is, and later we will split up our index.html into 3 different components like header, sidebar, and content. For header, we are creating the header.js under the component folder, and we are importing the React, and later we create the header class component, or you can use the functional component, whatever you like, no problem. And later let me show you how you will get this plugin, and you use the header from the nav section. It is from line number 32. Okay, grab it from line number 32 to 150. So from this will be the header section. Okay, so this will be the header, and it's actually on this file. Okay, and later we will update the app.js. We will place the header component. We will import the header component and add the header component tag under the div. There must be a parent, one single parent component to contain it. And let's move our second component, that is the sidebar. We will split the index.html, that is the sidebar component. It is from line number 154 to 780. So this section will belongs to the belongs to the sidebar JS. Okay, and just make sure that the class will be named as class name. React actually use class name, not class. So what you need to do is just rename all of your classes. These classes will be renamed as class name. Okay, just to be sure. Okay, and we have the sidebar, and later we will update the app.js accordingly with the sidebar and import it accordingly, same as before. And the third component will be the content, and for content we will copy from 711 line number to 980. The content wrapper section we will make it as content. Okay, contains the page content. This will be our content area. So we will copy it and place it in the content.js as before, and we will update the content app.js. So let's see, this is the app.js file. This is the app.js file. We have it here. This is the main.js file, or index.js, whatever you call it, and this is the index.html. We call the div id app. Okay, this is the header.js, this is the content.js, this is the sidebar.js. Three component is here, and then if you run it, then it will be run successfully. Okay, and if you want to see it, you need to see it in the browser. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks for your time, and always stay with GarazLab. Bye for now.